Hi people, today is yet another unboxing day. We are going on with the unboxing of the Decor quartz wall clocks from India. Today we are going to see model 4851. That's how the box looks like. The clock comes in 3 colors, though I only have 2 on display. The first color is 4851, that's the model. The color is wood, that is a light shade of brown. The second color is brown ivory. That's a darker version of brown. You can see the manufacturer's details. I have already unboxed, so let's start with the wood, which is a lighter shade of brown. That is the shape. A very beautiful small clock. It is 27 centimeters in diameter. It's available in stock. You can order either in wholesale or retail. That's the brown ivory, which is a dark shade of brown. Looks almost black. The frame is plastic, but very hard plastic, with a wooden-like finish. Just look at the back side. Comes with a battery already attached. So we remove this plastic chip. Let's see how it works. Thank you for watching. Let's meet as we unbox the next one. Thank you, bye.